All right, listeners, welcome back to another interesting video. In my previous video, we talked about how we can convert a text into a voice note, and we're able to achieve that. Followed by, after we've been able to convert this voice note text into a voice note, we now see okay, there is need for this voice note to also be converted to an audio file, and we'll be able to achieve that. Now, this third video we want to look at here. Here, I've created a text file in my working directory. I call it a wes.txt. It's a txt file. And inside this txt file, I save a write-up called "Thanks for watching my videos." I'll add X to this, don't forget, because I have more than 50 videos currently on my channel. So I can say, "Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remain blessed." Okay, I will save this file. Now, what I want us to do here, I want our application to read this text, okay, as we feed it to our query, okay. In most cases, we have seen AI doing this for us, okay. Even your Bible, when you open your Bible app and some other application, Google and all that, okay. So this is exactly what it did. So I want us to build such an application in a few minutes. Now, what I want us to do here, come back to your IDE. Right now, I'm using PyCharm as my IDE. PyCharm is one of the powerful IDE in terms of writing a Python code and other programming language, though. It has a very powerful functionality and interactive menu, and also IntelliSense, smart IntelliSense. Okay, so I urge you to download PyCharm from pycharm.org website. Okay, now we have successfully imported some few library. I say from gTTS, import gTTS, and also import OS, which is operating system. Now, what I want us to do, I'm going to define a new variable. I call it a my query equals to open. We want to open a file, and that file, the name of that file is called what? The name of that file is called what? wes.txt. Don't forget txt. Now that we have opened it, next thing I want us to do, we don't want to write to this file, rather I want to read it. I'll use arrow. Okay, I'll put arrow there. Now next, I'm not okay, read my query, or read query. Okay, read query. When I set it equals to my query, okay, dot read. All right, now we are using a read function. Now, why is reading it? Perhaps if you look at the text, there could be some white space. Okay, so to avoid those white space, okay, so we are going to use replace. Now say dot replace. Now we are replacing those white space, or could be a new line. Okay, we are replacing it with an empty space like this. All right, now after which we now set a default language, default lang. I'll just use that word, default lang. I'll now say equals to set it to en, which is English, just like what we did in the previous video. Now what I want us to do, and I say respond as a variable name. Respond equals to gTTX, as it is, just like this. We are going to text equals to our query, don't forget, which is read query, because we have set it to read query. All right, next we're going to language we want to use is going to be default language. Then lastly, we want to set this reading speed to slow. So set slow to Fox. We don't want it to read it slow. If I put it through, you see that it will be reading the words one after the other. So I set it to be 4 so that it will read it fluently. All right, now next I'm going to come here and ask respond. That respond that we define, and ask save it. Save this file as what? We are going to save it with another name this time around. Let me use the word, let me say save, let's call it a save respond. All right, save respond dot mp3, okay, because that's an audio voice. Okay, then when I say my query, remember, which we have opened here because we open a file here, so we have to close it. And I say my query dot close. Okay, close is also a function in Python. Then very quickly, I want to say os.system. Okay, then when I say start, use the start method. And what is going to start, let us start this save respond, okay, dot mp3, like this. All right, now I'm going to save this file. Let's go through it and check if there's any mistake. With what I can see, this query, this code is okay. Now I'm going to run it. Let's see how the output looks like. Let's see how the output will look like. Wow, it has popped up an audio for us.
Thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remain blessed. Thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remain blessed.
You see?
Thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remain blessed.
Fine. So this is what our application is doing. It was able to read a text file that we have saved into an audio voice note. And it's just not just only that, it was able to save it too. Because if you come back here now to our directory, you see that he has saved it, save response. Okay, we've been able to save it too. So this is how far we want to go in this particular video tutorial. I remain your friend. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you have any other topic you want us to look at, any question, go to the comment section and comment on the comment section, and I'm there to respond and make video related to that particular topic. I remain your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to comment, like it, and thank you for your time. Goodbye.